Boeing could serve as a model for companies looking to get back to work. Thousands of the company's employees were back on the job this week. The aerospace giant wants to resume production at facilities in Washington State, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. The workers are using new procedures to protect them from coronavirus. Kris Van Cleave reports on how companies are trying to keep workers safe.
Signs welcome back some of the 27,000 Boeing employees returning to work this week in Washington State. They're finding a new normal of temperature checks, social distancing, enhanced cleaning procedures, staggered shifts to reduce crowding when people arrive and leave, required mask wearing, and for workers who must be close together, they'll be issued PPE.
Glad that the Boeing company is committing to very robust social distancing protocols and use of PPE.
Boeing says it will use contact tracing should someone come down with COVID-19, but some, like this 777 mechanic, are worried.
Are we jumping the gun on this? Most of them are a bit apprehensive, thinking it's too soon, and they're worried. To be honest with you, they're very worried.
For Boeing, back to work means filling orders and bringing in much-needed revenue.
It's pretty clear that people are going to be looking at Boeing and seeing what the results are. This is one of the many steps needed on the road back to, getting people working again.
General Motors employees volunteered to come back to work building ventilators, requiring new procedures that, if successful, could be valuable lessons learned when it's time to restart car production.
Safety is our overriding priority, so we are following very strict protocols as it relates to temperature screening, wearing masks. There's cleaning protocols from the start of shift, from the end of shift.
Ford also has hundreds back in factories building ventilators, making respirators, and 3D printing face shields.
How do you keep your workers from getting each other sick?
We have pre-screening in place. We will have physical separation for the employees. We're making our own face shields, so we'll be using that.
Boeing officials tell CBS News the health and safety of their employees and their families is the company's priority, and their measures are based on federal and state guidance. For CBS This Morning, Saturday, Kris Van Cleave, Washington.